We detected an unusual trade worth $57 million on Centene stock, ticker symbol CNC. But here's what makes it more interesting. Centene stock recently crashed about 40% in a single day after abruptly pulling its guidance. And so, in this video, we'll break down this unusual options activity to figure out whether this wealthy investor is bullish and buying the dip, expecting a recovery, or bearish and selling, expecting the stock to drop even lower. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information, giving them an edge to make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so, to level the playing field, let's dive into our analysis to gain insights from the rich so that our subscribers and members can profit from this deep knowledge too. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, at first glance, nothing stands out. That's because wealthy investors don't always want us to see what they're doing. But beneath the surface, our system detected something unusual. So we filtered out the noise, removed all the other expiration dates, and focused in on the January 15, 2027 options. And now we can see more clearly that on July 3rd, there were a series of trades all targeting the 25 strike calls that expired January 15, 2027. Since these options expire more than a year from now, they're what's known as LEAP options, which stands for long-term equity anticipation securities. This does not necessarily mean they have to wait more than a year to profit. The fact that this wealthy investor is trading these LEAP options now suggests they believe they're getting a good price at this moment, that the stock may not drop much further from here. And we can see that these same call options were being traded multiple times, and they were also being traded at roughly the same price, around 14.40 per contract. Keep in mind that options are shown here and they are priced per share, and each options contract controls 100 shares of stock. So we multiply by 100 or simply move the decimal two places to the right. That means each contract costs $1,440. And so to calculate the total cost this wealthy investor spent, we multiply the price per contract by the total number of contracts traded. And so how many contracts is that? Well, let's dive deeper into the option chain to take a closer look at these January 15, 2027 options, specifically at the 25 strike calls. As you can see here, the volume spiked significantly up to 40,000 contracts. And so, to estimate the size of this unusual trade, we multiply the 40,000 contracts by the price shown earlier on the options time and sales tape of $1,440 per contract. And this equals a total value of approximately $57 million for this unusual option activity. But keep in mind, just because a trade is large does not necessarily mean it has a high chance of success. In fact, this one carries more risk than the smaller, more selective trades we share on our website. And so, if you want to get access to the lower risk trades with a higher chance of profit, then go to our website. We'll put a link up here. Keep in mind that our members also get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share it with the public. So if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, just head over to our website, where you can see in real time when and which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? With that said, even though this trade carries higher risk, we still took it, but we use position sizing to manage our risk. As you can see here, at the 25 strike calls, since this was a new opening trade, we also traded these call options and got into the same position here, marked as POS, which stands for our position, and the green color indicates a buy position. Now, how did we know these were new opening trades? Well, notice that these options have an open interest of 0 open contracts, meaning no contracts were previously open. So it would not be possible to close 40,000 contracts if none existed before. That tells us this wealthy investor was opening new contracts and not closing out contracts. And that's a key detail, because if a wealthy investor is closing trades, it might suggest concern or caution, possibly a signal to stay out. But if they're opening new trades, it could signal opportunity and a reason for us to pay close attention. We always take this extra step to analyze the data at a deeper level because many other websites and scanners don't. They report all high volume unusual trades without filtering out closing trades, which leads to wrong results and losses for those following unusual option activity. And that is why we have more winning trades than other websites. And in this case, our deeper analysis confirmed it. This was a new position opened by a wealthy investor, not a closing trade. So, with that confirmation, we followed the smart money and bought the same call option for about $14.40 each, the same price we calculated earlier. And so, when we analyze this trade, you can see here on the risk profile graph where the profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss. Note the zero break-even line over here. And so when the purple line, which represents the current date, and the blue line, which represents the option's expiration date, are trading below this zero break-even line, as the share price goes down, this trade becomes more negative loss. And as the share price goes up, this trade becomes more positive, more profitable, because it's going long bullish on Centene stock. We can also confirm that by checking the options Greeks. This trade has a positive delta, which means it's positioned long and bullish. If it was a short bearish trade, we would see a negative delta instead. But keep in mind the risk with this trade. It has a negative theta, which means it loses value over time due to time decay. And that is why you can see here the purple line drops down lower to the blue line as we approach the option's expiration date. Since these options lose value through time, the break even on this trade moves higher as time goes on. And so you can see here, even though the call options we bought have a strike price of $25, the stock needs to trade above $39 per share for this trade to be profitable at expiration. Because of this added risk, along with other factors, we only took a small position in this trade. We don't invest a lot of capital into these higher risk trades. Instead, we focus most of our capital on lower risk, higher probability of profit trades, the kind of trades we share on our website. We'll put a link to our website here, where you can also learn more strategies to increase your profits. Let us know in the comments. Do you think Centene stock will recover or drop lower? As always, please like, subscribe, and until next time, let's keep tracking the trades of the rich so everyday investors can profit too. Take care and have a wonderful day.